Hi students, today in this video we are going to see the classifications of ordinary differential equations. சாதாரண வகைக்கெழு சமன்பாடுகளின் வகைகளை பற்றி பார்க்க போறோம். So here the ordinary differential equation, that is ODE. Ordinary differential equation is classified into two types: linear ordinary differential equation and non-linear ordinary differential equation. நேரியலான சாதாரண வகைக்கெழு சமன்பாடுகள், நேரியலற்ற சாதாரண வகைக்கெழு சமன்பாடுகள். So we have already seen that differential equation is classified into two types, that is ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. So again this ordinary differential equation is classified into linear ordinary differential equation and non-linear ordinary differential equation. So this is what we are going to see. So this linear ordinary differential equation and non-linear differential equation. So first we shall see the definition of linear ordinary differential equation. A general linear ordinary differential equation of order n is any differential equation that can be written in the form an of x yn. So yn means this can be written as d power n y by dx power n, that is nth derivative, okay, plus an minus 1 x into yn minus 1, that is this yn minus 1 is nothing but d power n minus 1 y by dx power n minus 1 plus etc. a1 of x into y dash. What is this y dash? dy by dx, okay, plus a naught x into y is equal to g of x, where the coefficients an of x is not equal to 0. This is very important. Why this is not equal to 0? Suppose if you have this an of x is equal to 0, then this first term will vanish. The first term pairum. So first term pairchna, so it is given as this is of order n, okay. Appo first term pairna, this equation will be of order n minus 1, okay. So an of x is not equal to 0, okay, and a naught of x, a1 of x, etc. an minus 1 of x and g of x are any functions of independent variable x, okay. So what's the independent variable here? X, okay. So we have already seen what is independent variable and what is dependent variable. So suppose if we have by dx, okay, so here y is the dependent variable, சார்ந்த மாறி, and x is the independent variable. X is the independent variable. So here y is the dependent variable. We have already seen dependent means சார்ந்த மாறி, and what is x? X is the independent variable. So this is சாரா மாறி. So whenever you are having dy by dx, y is the dependent variable. மேல எது இருக்கோ dependent. So whatever is in the numerator is the dependent variable. Whatever is in the denominator is the independent variable. So கீழ என்ன இருக்கோ அதுதான் independent variable, சாரா மாறி, okay. Now we shall see the condition for the ordinary differential equation to be linear. So the first condition is the dependent variable and its derivative should be of first degree. That is, for example, if you have the dependent variable is y, then y should be of degree 1, okay, it should be of degree 1, and its derivative dy by dx, it should also have the degree 1, okay. So the dependent variable and its derivative should be of first degree. And the second condition is the dependent variable and its derivative should not be multiplied together. Should not be multiplied together. That is, the dependent variable is y and its derivative dy by dx. They should not be multiplied together. So this is not allowed, okay. Then the third condition is no trigonometric or logarithmic function of dependent variable or any of its derivative occur in the differential equation. For example, if you have sin x, then that is allowed, and if you have sin y, that is not allowed. So the dependent variable y is not allowed. Okay. Similarly, if you have sin dy by dx, that is also not allowed. Okay. And similarly for log. So log x is allowed, but log y, that is dependent variable, is not allowed. And log dy by dx is also not allowed. Okay. So you should be very careful. Only sin x, independent variable, is allowed. So no trigonometric or logarithmic functions of dependent variable y and its derivative dy by dx should not occur in the differential equation. Okay. So sin x is allowed, but sin y and sin dy by dx is not allowed. Log x is allowed, log y is not allowed, and log dy by dx is also not allowed. Now the fourth condition is neither the dependent variable nor its derivative are inside another function. Okay. For example, you should not have root of y dash. Okay. That is, root of dy by dx is not allowed. Okay. And e power y dash is also allowed. But root x e power x is allowed. X is independent variable, so it can come inside another function. And e power x, x is a independent variable, that is allowed. But e power y is not allowed. So e power y is not allowed, and root y is also not allowed. So these are the four conditions you should keep in mind while finding the ordinary differential equation to be linear. So only the function y of x and its derivatives are used in determining whether the differential equation is linear. So இந்த y-யும் the dependent variable-ம் அதோட derivative தான் ரொம்ப முக்கியமான பங்கு இருக்கு. ஆர்டினரி டிஃபரன்ஷியல் ஈக்குவேஷனை லீனியர்னு சொல்றதுக்கு முக்கியமான பங்கு எதுக்கு இருக்கு அப்படின்னா, டிபெண்டன்ட் வேரியபிளும் அதோட டெரிவேட்டிவும் எப்படி இருக்குங்கிறத வச்சுதான் நம்ம அது லீனியரா நான் லீனியரா அப்படின்னு சொல்ல முடியும். Okay. Any of these conditions are not satisfied, then we can say that it is non-linear. So if the four conditions are satisfied, then we can say that it is a linear ordinary differential equation. Now we shall see the definition of non-linear ordinary differential equation. If any one of the above four conditions are not satisfied, then we say that it is non-linear ordinary differential equation. That is, if the ordinary differential equation is not linear, then we say that it is non-linear ordinary differential equation. Now we shall see the examples. First example, d square y by dx square plus 2 into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Now we have to see whether this given ordinary differential equation is linear or non-linear. Okay. So what are all the conditions for the ordinary differential equation to be linear? Already we have seen four conditions, right? The first condition is, so the dependent variable and its derivative should be of first degree and they should not be multiplied together inside the logarithmic function or trigonometry functions or any other function. So here, now what is the dependent variable here? The dependent variable here is y. Okay. Degree 1. So this is also of degree 1. And this derivative is also of degree 1. Okay. So all the derivatives are of degree 1. And the dependent variable is also of degree 1. And there is no trigonometric or logarithmic function involved in this differential equation. So this is a linear ordinary differential equation. Now look at the second example. Y into dy by dx plus sin x is equal to 0. So here the dependent variable is y. Okay. So the dependent variable and its derivative, they are multiplied together. This is not allowed. But sin x is allowed. This is allowed, but this is not allowed. Therefore, this is a non-linear ordinary differential equation. Now look at the third example. D power 4 s by d t power 4 plus 3s into d square s by dt square. So here the dependent variable is s. Okay. And the derivatives involved here is d square s by dt square and d power 4 s by d t power 4. Okay. So the dependent variable, so this is of degree 1. Okay. So this s is also of degree 1. But they are multiplied together. The dependent variable and its derivative is multiplied together. So this is not allowed. So this is non-linear ordinary differential equation. Now look at the fourth example. d square y by dx square plus sin d cube y by dx cube is equal to 0. So here the dependent variable is y. So this is of degree 1. Okay. So here, this derivative should not be inside the sine function. So that is not allowed. The derivative or the function, the dependent variable should not be inside the trigonometric functions. Okay. So this is non-linear ordinary differential equation. Now look at the fifth example. Y square plus y dash is equal to root x. So here y dash means what? Y dash means dy by dx. Y dash is dy by dx. So here the dependent variable is y. So the dependent variable y has the degree 2. The first condition is it should be of degree 1. So here we are having degree 2. So this is non-linear ordinary differential equation. Now look at the sixth example. X square plus y square into dx minus 2xy into dy is equal to 0. Now we rearrange the equation. What will we get? So dividing throughout the equation by dx. So which implies x square plus y square minus 2xy into dy by dx is equal to 0. Now you look at the equation. What is the dependent variable here? Y is the dependent variable. So here the dependent variable y and its derivative is multiplied together. That is not allowed. Moreover, this dependent variable is of degree 2. That is also not allowed. So therefore, this is non-linear ordinary differential equation. Now look at the seventh example. Y double dash plus 2x cube y dash is equal to 7xy plus x square. So this can be written as d square y by dx square plus 2x cube into dy by dx is equal to 7xy plus x square. Now what is the dependent variable? Y is the dependent variable. So here this derivative d square by dx square is of degree 1. Okay. And this derivative dy by dx is also of degree 1 and the dependent variable y is also of degree 1. Okay. And they are not multiplied together. So no trigonometric or logarithmic functions of y or the derivatives involved in the ordinary differential equation. So this is a second order linear ordinary differential equation. Here x square is allowed. Only y square is not allowed. X is a independent variable. So x square is allowed in this equation. So okay students, we shall end this session here. If you like this video, you please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share it with your friends around you. Thanks for watching.